Good morning, children. How are you all? All are fine? Yes? Okay. Now, children, today, yesterday's class, little I just revise. That is rounding off to the rounding off number. So, first, I will just explain little bit. I just explain because I know without this rounding of understanding, you could not understand the estimation. So that I need to just explain first rounding of nearest 10, rounding of nearest 100 and rounding of nearest 1000. Children, rounding off to the nearest 10 means any number. When we just round off nearest 10 means first we will just see the ones place digit. And so this all I will take one example and I explain. So this I will take one example. Okay. Now for example, suppose here I just write here 35. So 35 round off to nearest 10 means, children, you see that here ones place digit. So always you remember rounding of nearest 10 means we just compare ones place digit with 5. So there are two cases arises. First, if the ones place digit is equal to 5 or it is greater than 5. Equal to 5 or it is greater than 5. So in both the cases, what we will do that, suppose this is your 35, ones place always 0. So this place always 0 and this place increase by 1. So already it is 3 there. So 3 plus 1, it is 4. So 35 round to 40. Now suppose another example I will take here. Another example. Now suppose I will write here 82. 82 means, children, here you see this is your ones place digit is your 2. So same process. First we compare with 5. So it is greater than 5 or equal to 5. No, both cases it is not correct. So it is less than 5. So second rule is that if ones place digit is less than 5, then this ones place is 0 and your tens place there is no change. That means it is your 8 only. So 82 is round off to 80. Similarly, 3-digit example also you can take that. Suppose 563. Now this round off nearest to 10 only. Okay. Now what same process. Now ones place digit is 3. Now you compare with 5 because 3 is less than 5. So it is arises second case. So if it is less than 5 means ones place digit this is 0 and this tens place no change 6. And this also no change, this is your 5 only. Now 563 round off nearest 10 is your 560. Children, I hope you understand. Now I will go to the round off to the nearest 100. Children, now rounding of nearest 100. So any 3-digit number or 4-digit number or 5-digit number. So I one by one example I will take. Suppose one 3-digit number 739. Okay. Now this round off nearest 100. When we round off the nearest 100, then we just compare the tens place digit with 5. And rule is same like your rounding of nearest 10. When we compare, it is this digit is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then what we will do that? This becomes ones place becomes 0, this tens place also becomes 0, and but this 100 place it is increased by 1 because you see, children, here 3 is less than 5. So second case arises if less than 5, children, then this ones place 0, tens place 0, this 100 place will not change as like that only. So it is your 700. Now example 2, another example I will take. Suppose 600. Suppose it is your 78. Okay. Now see, children, round of nearest 100 means we will compare the tens place digit. So here is 7. So 7 is greater than 5. So it is less than greater than 5 or equal to 5. Then we will do that. So ones place 0, tens place also 0. But 100 place is increased by 1. So 6 plus 1 is your 7. So 678 is round off to nearest 700. And this your 739 is round off to nearest 100 is your 700. Understood, children? I hope understand. You all are understand that. Suppose I will take third example. Suppose this is a 4-digit number. 4, 9, suppose 3, 1. Okay. Now you round off nearest 100. How do you do that, children? Same process. Tens place digit we compare with 5. Now because it is 3 less than 5, so ones place is your 0. Tens place also your 0. And 100 place there is no change. That means 9 only. And this is your 4. So what is that? 4931 round off to nearest 100 is 4900. Understood, children? I hope you all are understand that. Then next we will go to the rounding of nearest 1000. See, children, rounding of nearest 1000. Same, I will take one example. Suppose I will take one example. So 4-digit number. Here I will see that 5781. Suppose. Now what you will do that in this rounding of nearest 1000 means we will just compare the 100 place digit with 5. Now here in this example here 7. So it is greater than 5. So what happened, children? Ones place 0, tens place 0 and 100 place also 0. 100 place also 0. But if it is greater, 100 place digit is greater than 5, then your 1000 place digit is increased by 1. So 5 plus 1 it is your 6. Okay. Now suppose second example I will take. Now suppose here suppose 7249. Okay. Now so we round off nearest 1000. So which place value digit compare with 5? This 100 place value digit compare with 5. Now this is your 2 means less than 5. What we will do that, children? So this all the 3 places become 0. Ones place 0 and tens place 0. 100 place also 0. But 1000 place is no change because it is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. So 7 is no change, exact like 7. So the 7249 round of nearest 1000 is your 7000. Here 5789 round off to nearest 1000 is your 6000. So I hope you all are understand that rounding of nearest 10, rounding of nearest 100 and rounding of nearest 1000. One special case, children, just all of you see this. I will take one example. Suppose here it is given that 9873. In this case, what you will do, children? See, all of you, when we round off this number to nearest 1000, here we compare with the 100 place digit. So here 8 is greater than 5. So what should we do that? Here tens, your tens place is 0. Sorry, ones place is 0 and tens place is 0 and 100 place also 0. But this place, because it is greater than 5, so 1000 place is increased by 1. So 9 plus 1, how much, children? That you put here. So this becomes your 10,000. Understood, children? Yes. Okay, now I will go to yesterday's class, both the example, how do you do in writing process, I will show you, all of you see. Then I will explain you your estimating difference. Hello, children. Here I will discuss now example 2 from your estimating sum. Now I read the question. The number of trees in a farm is 168 and 134. Now estimate the total number of trees in both the farms taken together. So children, before I do that, I will just clarify one thing. When in estimating some word problem is there, here if it is not given round off to nearest 10 or round off nearest to 100 or round off nearest to 1000, In this case, 2-digit number always round up to nearest 10. 3-digit number always you round up to nearest 100, and 4-digit number always round up to nearest 1000. If it is given in your question, that is different. According to question we will do. But if it is not given, children, in this case, here see, this is 3-digit, this is also 3-digit. It is not given anywhere round of nearest 10 or 1000 or 100. So we will take this nearest to round of nearest to 100 only. Okay, children. Now you just do that round of nearest to 100. So now 168 round off to nearest 100. How much, children, you say? Just quickly I explain again. Now because nearest 100 means we see the tens place digit, because tens place digit is compared with 5, so because it is your 6, so this becomes your, both the places is 0 and this place increase by 1. Now this is your, I just write here, one's place digit 0 and tens place also 0, but 100 place is increased by 1, that is your 200. Okay, so 168 is your round off to nearest 100 is 200. Then second number is your 134. I will not explain this, children. I hope you understand. Now this is becomes 3 means it is less than 5. No, there is no change, both the places it is your 0. This is your 100. Okay, children. Now estimating sum. So first you take out first you take out, children. So this is your 0, this is 0, this is your 300. Now how many number of trees are there? Estimate. So your answer is your 300. But actual value. So how much, children? Actual value 168 plus this is your 134. So 8 plus 4 is your 12, 2 carry 1, 10, 0 carry 1, 302. So this is our good estimation, because difference is very less among actual value and estimating value. So this answer is your estimating trees in both the farm are 300. Okay, children. Children, now it is your example 3. Now I am reading the question. A dining table cost is rupees 5,648. A sofa set cost is rupees 8,132. Now what is the asking question? Estimate the total cost by both rounding of the nearest 1000 and second by rounding of nearest 100, and compare which estimation is better. Okay, children, same process we will apply and we solve that. Now, children, I will just do the answer. Now by rounding of nearest 1000. So children, this is your first A. Now rounding of nearest 1000. Now children, just all of you see that rupees 5,648. Children, round off. I will not say this. Now rupees, how much nearest 1000 means this is 6 greater than 5. So this becomes increased by 1. So this is your 6,000. Okay. Now second, rupees 8,132. Children, this is your less than 5. So it is your 8,000 only. Rupees 8,000. Now children, estimating sum, how much? Estimating sum. So how much, children? Just you add these two. 0, 0, 0. 8 plus 6 is your 14. So this is your 14,000. Okay. Now second, I will just round up by rounding off nearest 100. Okay. Now children, all of you do that. So same process. So rupees 5648. By rounding of nearest 100 means you compare with 4. 4 is less than 5, so it is your 5600. Rupees 5600. Now rupees 8132. Now children, because it is your 3, so it is no change, so 8100. So rupees 8100. Now in this, by rounding of nearest 100, what is the estimating sum? So just you add children here both. Now 0, 0, this is your 7, this is 8 plus 5 is your 13 rupees. So 13,700. Here rupees 14,000. And children, actual sum we will take out now. So this is your rupees 5,648 plus rupees 8,132. Just both of you add. 8 plus 2 is your 10. 0 carry 1. This is your 8. And this is your 7. So this is your 13. So rupees here. So children, actual sum is your 13,780. And by rounding of nearest 100, it is just 13,700. And by rounding of nearest 1000, it is your 14,000. Children, if you see that which estimation is here correct estimation, think little. So children, what do you think that here your actual sum is 13,780 and in your second estimation 13,700. So which difference is less? That is a better estimation. So difference of rounding of 1000 is more and this difference is less. So our second option, second rounding off is your better estimation. Okay children. Now I hope you can understand this. I will show you now the exercise questions so that you can try yourself children. Any doubt we will clarify, and don't worry, we will hear for you and we will clarify. Okay, I will show you now the